Hello and good morning. Say hello. Da 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 da. Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 5. High five. December 5th. Thursday, December 5th. And today we are doing another new word. Although this word has an old meaning. Our word, I have to watch my notes, is unplug. Okay? Now, the old unplug is you have a plug in the wall and you pull it out. That is to unplug. Unplug the TV. Unplug the light. That is to unplug. But now, with so many smartphones and so many tablets, there is a new unplug. And that's what we're doing today. So we are saying to unplug this year it is putting away your phone and taking a break. So to unplug, the new definition is to put your phone away and take a break. So let's take a break. Take a break, meditate. So you have no phone, no computer. You are unplugged from technology. That is unplug. And every week, when do we unplug? We unplug Sundays when we go to the temple. We go up to the Buddhist temple, we unplug. Put our phones in the car, no phones, and just listen. So, it's a very good idea that everyone out there unplugs for a little bit. So we come here. Yeah. And what we're going to do for our sentence is, I try to unplug for 10 minutes every day. I have some in my teeth. I try to unplug for 5 minutes a day. So how much time do you try to unplug? Write down below. I try to unplug for 20 minutes, 30 minutes every day. Okay? All right, everyone, have a great Thursday. Sui, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, and remember, it's a good thing to unplug and put your phone away. So now, I'm going to unplug, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.